Breaking news everyone this morning. Tesla will be delivering 15 pre-production Tesla Semis to Pepsi for testing by end of January at Pepsi's Modesto, California FritoLay facility. The Tesla Semis were built in Giga Nevada and will use new 4680 battery cells. Pepsi is installing several Megachargers at the facility. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. So last November, if you remember, PepsiCo CEO Raymond LaGuarta surprised the electric vehicle community when he noted during an appearance on CNBC that his company PepsiCo was looking forward to the first deliveries of the Tesla Semi in Q4 2021. The statement was quite shocking since even Tesla CEO Elon Musk has been very conservative about the release date of Tesla Semi, the Class 8 all-electric truck. But it looks like now Tesla is giving Semi more love. Sightings of what appeared to be freshly built Tesla Semis were reported near Gigafactory in Nevada in late 2021, and I shared them yesterday. I reported that yesterday if you've seen my yesterday's report, though by the end of the year. It seemed that PepsiCo would have to wait a bit longer before it could take delivery of its first electric trucks. This wait might not be very long. However, as recent reports from the electric vehicle community have suggested that PepsiCo may end up taking delivery of its first 15 Tesla Semis as early as this month, reports Simon Alvarez at Teslarati. Simon says to prepare for the Tesla Semi's arrival, the EV maker Tesla has reportedly started installing several Megachargers at PepsiCo's Modesto, California facility. Images shared with EV publication Drive Tesla indicated that the Semi's Megachargers are connected to a Megapack battery. The power output of the Megachargers was reported to be a whopping 1.5 megawatt as well, which should allow the Tesla Semi to charge its massive battery pack fairly quickly. Interestingly enough, previous estimates suggested that the Semi's Megachargers would have peak rates of about 1 megawatt. Now we're talking about 1.5 megawatt, which probably give more speed to Tesla Semi charging. Maybe while we were waiting in this time, Tesla has sped up or improved some things with Tesla Semi's specs. While Tesla has been mostly silent about the progress of the Semi, the development of the all-electric Class 8 long hauler has been going full throttle behind the scene. New Semi prototypes showing evident updates from the alpha units produced years ago were spotted across the country over the year, reports Simon Alvarez at Teslarati, and says Tesla also set up a facility near Giga Nevada to produce the vehicle in limited quantities. Considering that clients such as PepsiCo are only expecting a few Semis for now, Tesla's Nevada site would likely be up for the job. Perhaps the most exciting factor about the Semi's reported deliveries this month, however, would be the vehicle's batteries, notes Simon Alvarez in Teslarati, and I agree with him. 4680 batteries in Tesla Semi, that's what we probably need. Expectations are high that the Semi would be using Tesla's new 4680 battery cells, which were unveiled on Battery Day. Tesla has been showing some encouraging signs with the 4680 ramp, with a Model Y test body in Giga, Texas being spotted recently with what appeared to be a space for structural battery pack. If Tesla could launch the Semi in limited numbers with 4680 battery cells this year, then it could be yet another milestone for the company and its battery production aspiration. We know that Tesla is producing the 4680 batteries at its Kato Road facility near Fremont, and now putting them into actual pre-production vehicles would be great. So it might the delay be due to PepsiCo not readying its on-site charging in time, because remember we were expecting these 15 trucks at the end of 2021, but now before that, of course, you should see on-site charging at PepsiCo. So maybe they're building it right now, that's why, and Tesla is building the new semis. So what do you think, friends? Either way, this first customer of Tesla for commercial haulage will go down in history as a key event, notes one commentator at Teslarati. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our I don't know if Tesla was able to deliver a few Tesla Semis to PepsiCo by the end of 2021, but it appears that the electric vehicle maker is busy with its all-electric Class 8 truck nonetheless. In a recent sighting, 2 units of the Tesla Semi were spotted together near Gigafactory Nevada, and one of them even had its trunk opened. Simon Alvarez has some details from Teslarati, and Sawyer Merritt reports the images. The images were reportedly taken at the Tesla Semi facility near the Giga Nevada complex. The facility, which is not large relative to Tesla's typical vehicle factory standards, is reportedly capable of building the Class 8 Tesla semi-electric truck in limited numbers. Speculations suggest that mass production of the Tesla Semi would likely be done in a more robust site such as Gigafactory Texas. In fact, the latest we heard about Gigafactory Texas Cybertruck production, that some people don't expect the Cybertruck to be delivered this year, but it looks like Tesla Semi and the Tesla Model Y and Model 3 will be given priority at Gigafactory Texas. I don't know, we'll see, but I've had a couple of interesting Gigafactory Texas reports this morning. Please check them out related to 4680 battery production details. Now, Sawyer Merritt tweeted saying, breaking, 2 brand new Tesla Semis spotted at Giga Nevada Semi Factory. You can see the frunk is open on one of them. So if this pair of Tesla Semi trucks sighted near Giga Nevada were newly built units, it would suggest that limited production of the all-electric vehicle is finally underway, thinks Simon Alvarez from Teslarati, and says, or at least entering its initial stages. So if this is all true, we can say that Tesla has at least entered the initial stage of Tesla Semi production. This would be very encouraging for the Tesla supporters, seeing as the Semi has already been delivered several times. The vehicle, after all, was initially unveiled 4 years ago in 2017 with an estimated 2019 delivery date, but customers' deliveries have been perennially pushed back since. While the Tesla Semi is now several years late, Tesla has been pretty open about why the vehicle has been pushed back. Tesla noted last year that battery cell constraints are largely responsible for the Tesla Semi delays. Together with the ongoing supply chain challenges, the limited supply of batteries meant that Tesla had to prioritize its mass market electric cars like the Model 3 and the Model Y instead of the projects like the Semi, which requires several vehicles worth of batteries per unit. This is why, honestly, I don't understand why Tesla is giving priority to Tesla Semi versus the Cybertruck. So, have you guys heard anything from the latest on the Cybertruck? If yes, please let me know in the comment section below. And what do you think? Do you think Tesla is starting the Semi production or has entered the initial stages of Tesla Semi production? This did not mean that Tesla Semi development was stagnant last year, however. On the contrary, 2021 proved very eventful for the Tesla Semi program. Early in the year, redesigned prototypes of the Class 8 all-electric long hauler were spotted in several locations across the United States. Tesla also built what appears to be the Tesla Semi first Megachargers in the Gigafactory Nevada complex, which is important sign that Tesla is entering the Tesla Semi production initial stages. Reports emerged suggesting Megachargers for the Tesla Semi were being installed for clients such as PepsiCo as well. This is why I said I don't know if Tesla was able to deliver them to PepsiCo. If yes, we would probably have seen them on the roads. If you guys live in that area, have you seen anything like that? Let me know please in the comment section below. So with the Tesla seemingly poised to start Model Y production at Giga, Texas very soon, and as I reported with the 4680 battery cell ramp seemingly hitting its momentum, 2022 might be a year of more milestones for the Semi. Granted, the vehicle's mass production may indeed happen in 2023, but Tesla may start from this year, but it would not be surprising if more and more units of the all-electric Class 8 truck from Tesla end up being spotted on public roads this year. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a wonderful day. God bless you everyone. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.